Peter, Griffin, Quagmire, and Cleveland, and Joe. This is Vermont County. Yes! I got it!
My name's Friday. A liquor store owner at Bench.
Yes! I got it!
There's not an effing chance that the mom's gonna want to have
Thunderstorm warning for northern Lancaster County.
This is for my county.
Nebraska, northeastern Seward County, and southeastern Nebraska.
Oh, there it is!
Expected hazards include 60
For South Park with the coming premiere July 9th. There it is. Come on, Duchess. This is for my county. Seward. Come on, Duchess. Let's head over to Mom and Dad's bedroom. Over there. And DW. Severe thunderstorm warning. Come on, Duchess.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
Saunders and Seward!
You guys are great. I'm so excited that we have someone in the audience who used to watch the show before I walked into the shot and was like, it did look nuts when you just stood there waiting for it. You may remember this woman who went viral on TikTok for sleeping in bunk beds with her husband.
If you're new here, my name's Casey, and my husband and I sleep in queen-size bunk beds. Yes, you heard that right. Queen-size bunk beds. They do make that in our New York City apartment.
And he usually sleeps on top. I usually sleep on the bottom. Wow. Straight couples really will do anything to be able to ask, so are you a top or a bottom? But this influencer has gone viral again for her new setup.
You figured it was time for an upgrade. Now, oh my god, look how pretty these ones are. They're literally gorgeous. Have shelves built into them, which is amazing because I'm a big reader and I'm going to put all my books here. And also, what's this? Maybe that is a USB cord, another USB cord, and 2 outlets.
Holy
and this
crap,
new ladder,
guys.
so beautiful.
I mean, yeah, it's nice. It looks like if Gwyneth Paltrow designed a prison cell. It's nice.
Complete work, please. This Sergeant Friday Homicide Division. I've been involved with shooting 4 or 5 minutes.
No, this is actually so kinky. Like, you want to have sex with someone you just watched climb down a ladder? Like, is your roleplay fantasy to be rescued from the bottom of a well? Wait, if it is, hey, no shame in that. I've never tried it, and I will. She says that she sleeps better this way, and yeah, I can see that. This is the most awake person I have ever seen. I've never had this much energy in my life. I dream about having this kind of energy. I do see the positives. You get a whole bed to yourself, and if your partner snores, you just kick them from below. Like if your upstairs neighbor's having a party. In other viral news, everybody's talking about this article from the...
Here we go! This is for my county. Oh, this is Saunders and Butler, Lancaster County.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lancaster County and southeastern Nebraska, northeastern Seward County and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Butler County, southern Saunders County until 12:15 a.m. At 11:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Brainerd, or 13 miles southeast of David City, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Valparaiso around 11:40 p.m. This includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 405 and 407. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Friday for the following counties in Nebraska: Butler, Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward.
Sanders and Seward.
240, I came in here buying a pack of cigarettes. The suspect was working a slip wire on this coin changer. I thought he dropped the wire. I don't see it. Nope. Well, we exchanged fire. He took off to that back door there. Lancaster, Saunders, and Seward. This is where you are.
Oh, that was Mike County.
It was what?
It was Mike County. This is for Mike County.
Right.
For Lancaster.
Mm-hmm.
And we say now?
That's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Bye.
The National Weather Service for southwestern County, northeastern Lancaster County, and southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Odo County, and southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, western Saunders County, and southeastern Nebraska, until
To the original South Park of way back in '98.
a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northwest of Greenwood, or 15 miles northeast of
There's Chef. Come on, Duchess. Another severe thunderstorm warning. This is first. Zone Guard first. Red severe thunderstorm warning.
Severe thunderstorm will be near Greenwood around 12:15 a.m. Word up around 12:25 a.m. Includes Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 403 and 435. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:45 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Lancaster, Odo, Sarpy, and Saunders.
Serpy and Saunders again. For my county again.
A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.